guys, welcome to a new video where we're going to be showing you how to make an Unturned server again today. So I'm on Steam right now, and to get to the folder there's two ways. If you already know how to do it through the Finder or whatever folder thing, then you can do it that way. Or you can right click the game, Properties, Local Files, and Browse Local Files. And that's going to bring you right to the Unturned folder, which now what we can do is we can go down here, right? And we're going to want to click this little unturned file right here. Right click it and create a shortcut. And so now this is called shortcut. I'm just going to leave it as shortcut. We'll call it tut. Shortcut tut. That works. I'll delete it later. Anyway, so now what you're going to want to do is you want to go to the properties of this and make sure this is in quotes. So this is in quotes, right? So you go to the end of it, space, dash no graphics, which means there's not going to be any sort of graphics from the game shown when you click on this shortcut, dash batch mode, which is running it in a batch window, and then dash secure server or insecure server or LAN server, depending on what you want to do, backslash, and then whatever you want the folder to be called. I'm going to call it new tutorial, I guess. Apply, okay. Now you're gonna want to start the sorry about that. So where is my thing? Right here. We want to change the minus secure server to plus secure server. Apply, okay. Now let's see if that runs, and that does run. So now it's just gonna let it do its thing really quick. If we go into the servers now, you're gonna see there's a new folder called new tutorial, which is our folder for this game. It's going to be generating the files in there right now. So what we're going to do is we're going to just wait a little bit, let this thing do its thing, and then when it's done, we'll stop the server. I'll show you how to do that. Looks like it's done actually. So just type shut down the server. Now in the folder, we're on the server, and then commands.dat, right? So we'll open that up, and now we have a blank window here. We're going to want to type a few things. First of all, you want your name. I'm going to name this tutorial. That's just the name of the game. The map, I actually don't want that to be caps, so name. The map is going to be PEI, which is the main map right now. Port is going to be 27015. There's a few that you can use. I use that one though. That's what most people will use. And then if you want a password, you can just put that. The password, and then whatever password you want goes right here. So these are the 4 things you need. If you want to learn more of them, more of what you can do in here, more of what you can do in the game, more of what you can do in the console, I have 2 or 3 videos on those things already, if you want to go check those out. So now you can just save that, exit out, and now when we start up the game using our shortcut, it should load and run perfectly fine. Loading everything in. It's loading level. See, it loaded the map this time. Anything new in here that I can show you? The port's there, the map's there, and the name's there. As you can see, successfully set up the name, successfully set up the password, all that stuff. So now I'm not gonna open up my game and show you that it works, but it does. You need to connect. Let me explain this, I guess. You need to connect using your LAN IP, which you should be able to just type in localhost in the game. But if not, it's just what your local IP would be, which you can find by going to your console and stuff. If you want your friends to join, you either need to port forward or use Hamachi. Those are the 2 options, really. Hamachi is pretty simple to set up. I know most people hate it, but it is quite useful at times. And then I have a few videos on port forwarding, but you also have to look that up yourself if you're interested in that. Maybe if you want me to make a video on how to port forward it, leave it in the comments and I'll do it. So yeah, thanks for watching.